We want to continue our series on cleaning and maintaining our vehicles and our equipment. Today we want to look at how we go about a Talisman high strand to clean our rammers or any petrol equipment. Additional to our vehicles, we said how to cure and to take care of your paintwork. Typically on any construction item, they'll always come back with mud. They'll always come back with maybe some oily substance over them wherever they've been used. So the first process of it is how we maintain our product is by using a flat nozzle HP washer, 130 bar, and Vuyo will explain to us how you will clean this vehicle. We will switch on the HP washer and Vuyo will continue just cleaning this product for us. Now the objective is to get all the excess of sand or oil or dirt particles that's on the product. You typically see when he cleans the top portion where the carburetor and the fuel is, he would not be as aggressive with the cleaning and he would overspray it more than aggressive cleaning. And typically the most dirt will be at the bottom of the product, so we'll tilt it on its side to clean the bottom of the product as well as the engine. Once cleaned with water, he will now proceed with drying this product because the water on the product would actually enhance rusting of any metal products. So he would go about in drying the product and then he will show you how he applies a protective layer on top of the product, how to cure the product and prevent it from rusting and also to make it available for the next customer's rental. What he would then do is, once blowing it clean, he would spray a liquid that you'll see that we've dissolved in one of these cans, a light spray of liquid over the product to prevent it from rusting, protecting the product, curing the paint, the same as what we would do with the wash and wax for a vehicle. Once that is applied, Vuyo will go ahead and he will dry the product and he will do a minor inspection to see if everything is still functional on the product, i.e. the recoil starter, whether the machine has been refueled. He will check all of those minor inspections and then it would be taken back to the floor after it's done inspection if this product is not due for a major inspection. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned a little bit more of how we maintain our vehicles at Talisman and our equipment at Talisman High Strand. And the next video we'll do will be on electrical equipment. Have a super day. Thank you.